it is the people who have to protect the human rights of the neighbor people, everything. Every day human rights violations are taking place in some or other form, especially rapes of minor girls, rapes of tribal girls, and child marriages, forceful child marriages. Particularly in last 1.5 months I came here, I am observing the child marriages are more in Tripura. Comparatively, the entire country, ours is a more educated area, educated state, but at the same time, we are also having more child marriages. How it can be? Because it is again linked to drugs. Even the small children are taking drugs and early marriages, no further studies, they can't work it, again divorce. After the divorce, again the children, they will be thrown on road. So, this is a major problem in our state. In that situation, we have to stand by the victims, give them courage, and stand by them. The human rights movement has a long history. Such type of cases, human rights fighting every day, in and day out.
Attend the International Human Rights Observation August gathering আপনাদের ত্রিপুরা হিউম্যান রাইটস কমিশনের পক্ষ থেকে